Having the appropriate tools can significantly improve your performance, safety, and efficiency when it comes to tactical and military gear. The equipment on the market in 2025 is more sophisticated than ever, fusing state-of-the-art technology with durable, tried-and-true designs. This list of the best tactical military devices and equipment is full with creative solutions that are made to handle even the most difficult circumstances, whether you're a law enforcement officer, member of the armed forces, or a civilian enthusiast. These items, which range from highly specialized apparel to strong tools and clever technology, will not only equip you to handle any challenge the field may present, but also provide you with the advantage you need to stay one step ahead of the competition. Let's explore the essential equipment that will improve your tactical skills. Halcyon Tactical Headlamp. A revolutionary solution for anyone requiring hands-free illumination in the outdoors is the Halcyon Tactical Headlamp. Whether you're traveling in complete darkness or maintaining night vision, this headlamp's many light modes, which include red and white LEDs, ensure that you have the appropriate kind of light for every circumstance. The headlamp is ideal for prolonged use because it is pleasant to use, lightweight, and adjustable to fit a variety of head sizes. A rechargeable battery powers the Halcyon Tactical Headlamp, which offers enduring illumination for outdoor activities, camping, and tactical operations. FirstSpear Strandhögg Backpack. A high-end tactical backpack made for comfort, adaptability, and durability is the FirstSpear Strandhögg Backpack. This pack's sturdy design and premium materials guarantee that it will withstand even the most extreme conditions. With several pockets for convenient organization, the Strandhögg Backpack can accommodate a wide range of equipment, including body armor, medical supplies, and other tactical necessities. Even when the backpack is completely laden, its adjustable waist belt and shoulder straps allow for a personalized fit. Stormrider Tactical Watch. The Stormrider Tactical Watch is designed for people who want a timepiece with useful, mission-critical features that can survive the harshest conditions. Water resistance, temperature resistance, and the capacity to withstand severe impacts are just a few of the extreme situations that this watch's robust, shock-proof design guarantees. With its integrated compass, barometer, and altimeter, the Stormrider is a vital tool for outdoor survival and navigation. Mechanix M-Pact Tactical Gloves. For tactical specialists who must maintain a firm grip and accuracy while shielding their hands from dangers, the Mechanix M-Pact Tactical Gloves are the ideal combination of protection, dexterity, and comfort. These gloves are made of a high-performance, long-lasting material that protects the palms and knuckles from impacts without compromising flexibility. The gloves are perfect for fieldwork and tactical operations because of their breathable construction, which keeps your hands cool throughout prolonged use. Blackhawk Omnivore Holster. An innovative multi-fit holster that provides security and adaptability is the Blackhawk Omnivore Holster. In contrast to conventional holsters, the Omnivore is compatible with more than 150 firearm models, offering law enforcement and tactical operators who might deploy a variety of weapons a universal option. An auto-locking mechanism built into the holster's distinctive design guarantees that your gun will remain safe while enabling a rapid, fluid pull. The adjustable retention system lets you modify the holster's grip to your liking, and its low-profile design makes sure that it doesn't add extra bulk to your tactical loadout. Gerber StrongArm Tactical Knife. The heavy-duty, multipurpose Gerber StrongArm Tactical Knife is designed to tackle even the most difficult jobs. This knife's high-carbon stainless steel blade, which has a complete tang, is made to be strong and resilient to impact, corrosion, and harsh environments. Because the handle is composed of glass-filled nylon, it offers superior grip even in slick or damp conditions. Because of its ergonomic design, it is comfortable to use for extended periods of time and lessens hand fatigue during demanding tasks. DJI Matrice 300 Tactical Drones. Drones are becoming essential equipment for military and tactical operations in 2025, and the DJI Matrice 300 tactical drone is among the most sophisticated available. With a maximum flight time of 55 minutes and the capacity to carry several payloads, such as cameras, sensors, and other specialized equipment, this drone is ideal for both high-end surveillance and tactical operations. Operators may carry out missions with previously unheard-of precision and situational awareness thanks to the Matrice 300's state-of-the-art technology, which includes obstacle avoidance, real-time data transmission, and thermal imaging. Eberlestock X2 Tactical Backpack. When it comes to tactical bags, the Eberlestock X2 Tactical Backpack is the pinnacle of durability and functionality. Known for its adaptable style, this backpack is ideal for everything from military operations to hunting trips because it provides a remarkable amount of storage space and organizational possibilities. The X2's 2,000 cubic inch size provides plenty of space for your belongings, featuring dedicated sections for a laptop, weapons, and a hydration reservoir. The backpack's lightweight yet durable design guarantees that you can carry all of your belongings without feeling overly burdened, and its adjustable harness system offers a comfortable fit even when fully filled. SureFire X300V Weapon Light. One of the most cutting-edge weapon light options available is the SureFire X300V. This light is made to be placed directly onto your rifle for a smooth integration of lighting and weapon use, and it is designed to provide outstanding performance in low light and no light conditions. With a powerful dual-output LED that can produce up to 1,000 lumens of light, the X300V guarantees a sharp, focused beam at any distance. Additionally, it has a secondary infrared IR mode, which is ideal for tasks involving night vision. Crye Precision MultiCam Tactical Suit. Offering the highest protection and versatility for a variety of situations, the Crye Precision MultiCam Tactical Suit is the pinnacle of camouflage and performance. The revolutionary multicam pattern and high-performance textiles used in the creation of this suit allow it to blend in with a variety of locations, including urban areas, desert landscapes, and woodlands. Mobility is given top priority in the suit's design, with articulated knees and elbows that guarantee you won't ever be constrained when moving, whether you're running, climbing, or crawling. Thanks for joining us on this epic journey through the coolest tactical gear of 2025. If you're ready to gear up and dominate any challenge, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cutting-edge tech. Drop a comment below. Tell us which gadget you're adding to your kit. Stay sharp, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next mission. Flexed biceps.